Hey friends, Drew here in beautiful West Grove, Pennsylvania. I want to show off one of the projects we recently completed for a family. They have a beautiful kitchen here. There's just one problem with the kitchen. There wasn't enough space to store all the different cooking appliances and baking appliances that they like to use. So they're constantly having to run up and down the basement stairs to get what they needed, bring it back upstairs, and then of course, put it back away. Well, that gets old real quick. So what they asked us to do is to take a section of their dining nook that they have here and turn it into a beautiful pantry to store some of their different appliances so that they had easier access to it, didn't have to race up and down the stairs every time they needed to get the mixer or something else. So this is something that we constructed for them. It's not very large, just about 4 feet wide, 3 feet out. And we're gonna give you a quick little tour of this so you can see what's going on inside. Open these up. We've got some beautiful custom built shelves inside. Totally constructed this, studded it up, built the shelves exactly how we wanted it, put the door face on it. And one of the neat features that they asked for was to have a pull-out shelf for the mixer so that they can just mix right here. They don't have to pick anything up. They don't have to carry it to the other room. They just pull this out. It's plugged in right in the wall. It's ready to rock and roll, and everything is happy. All of these have soft close on them, so when you push them in, they retract real nice and gentle. Same thing with the doors. Nice soft close on the doors. Kind of get an idea for what that's like. So there's no slamming, nothing else happening. And this just gives a real convenient way to be able to cook and do everything that you want to do and get to all of your appliances and all of your various different things that you need for cooking and baking and making stuff happen. So this was a fun little project. We were here for a little over a week and a couple days to get things all finished and painted and put back together. And we ran into one little snag. We found some water damage back in the wall that we had to go up on the roof, and that extended the project probably by about a day or so. But all said and done, they've got this beautiful workstation now for all their cooking and baking, just in time for the Christmas holiday season here, ready to rock and roll and make stuff happen. So if you're lacking some storage space in your kitchen and you'd like to come up with have us come up with a unique situation scenario to help you guys with your storage needs, we can absolutely do that. Give us a call at the office, 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Cope Construction and Renovation, and extension 2 for new projects, and we can work with you to design something that's going to work in your space to meet your needs so that you can really just have a little bit more convenience in your life. This is Drew in West Grove, Pennsylvania for Cope Construction and Renovation, your Pennsylvania Home Improvement Contractor, PA 88078. Hoping you guys have a fantastic day. We will catch you on another video. Bye for now.